everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is Art Snacks Day. I don't do Art Snacks subscription, but what I do every once in a while is the ARTSNACKS Ink Collection for October, otherwise known to some as Inktober. So I did purchase this box, and I'm not sure if I'm going to participate fully in Inktober, but I will definitely do a couple creations, at least one a week, if not every day. I'll try to do every day, but we'll see what happens. I hope my life has calmed down enough that I should be able to do one a day, but we'll see what happens. So I purchased this a few months back on pre-order, and it was delivered, and I want to share it with you. So let's see what's inside. So one of the things I love about ARTSNACKS is the bubble wrap bag. And I know that sounds weird, but I absolutely love this, especially when I want to get all my supplies together to do one specific thing, such as Inktober or Ink in October, or however you want to say that. So we're going to put this little pouch aside for last, because it's got lots of little goodies in it, and we will see what these collections are first. I'm going to pull out this one because this is the paper pad, and I want to, as we're creating, I want to swatch for you. So this is, I love this picture. This is Arnhem, which I believe is a speedball. Yeah, speedball paper. White 20 sheets, so not quite enough for a full one for every day in October, but that's okay. 100% cotton. So what I will probably do is turn it into a journal, or something for us to easily obtain Inktober creations with. But I'm going to grab that first page, so that I have a place to swatch all of the goodies that we are opening in the meantime. I think we're going to do this. I think I'm going to put this right here and this right here. Okay, first up we have a Speedball super pigmented acrylic ink. So, and this is in white. Let's see what we have to swatch that with. Next we have I can never say that word. Whatever, it's blue. Liquitex acrylic ink. I want to say PHTHALO cyanine. Blue. In a red shade. So, ooh, that is gorgeous. So we have this gorgeous blue color that I can't open. And I do like the Liquitex acrylic inks. So let's just swatch that one real quick. Ooh, very pretty. And it is acrylic, so I believe you can mix it with water if you have a paintbrush, which I do happen to have one right here. So let's take a look real quick. Ah, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous blue. Paintbrush not included. So there is that gorgeousness. And then we have Faber-Castell 6 pit pins. I love pit pins. It looks like we have multiple colors and one size in this collection. Let's see what colors we have. Shades of gray. They're all SB. And we go from black all the way to cold gray. So let's do a quick swatch. And these pit pins are permanent once dry. They're India ink, I believe. Yep, Indian ink. Pit pen. So this one's black. I believe with Indian ink you can also use water while wet, and then permanent when dry. So there you go, there's the black. go from dark to light. A dark indigo. It's almost a blue-gray. Very pretty. You gotta be super quick because this paper is very absorbent. This one is cold gray. Put down a little extra. Cold gray, and then you've got another cold gray. So this one is cold gray 4. This one is cold gray 6. Then you've got cold gray 3. And I don't usually use water with Pitt pens. I use the Pitt pens as the permanent. I will smear it like in mixed media if it's on top of gesso, clear gesso, or gel medium, just to make a cool effect. And then this is cold gray 1. This one's going to be super light. Probably not going to see much of this one. So, and now that I have a paintbrush out, let me dry it and grab this white acrylic ink and show you the whites. I may have to add some tinted toned paper to my Inktober collection this year, because I'm kind of really enjoying drawing on toned colored papers, especially for quick drawings, like the grays or the tans. Here's a piece of white to show you. So I want to put it on here, but this blue is still a little bit wet. So there's the whites. I know I will absolutely use this past Inktober for mixed media as well, because I enjoy white splashes and things like that, and I like using inks like that. So that's the Pitt pens, the Liquitex acrylic ink, and the Speedball pigmented acrylic ink. Now we've got a set of microns, and this is size 08, 10, and 12. So these are some big ones. Oh, and I didn't show you the brush for the Pitt pens. This is just a soft, like brush type. So that would be cool. So this is the Micron 08. And then you've got the 10. See the difference there? And then you've got the 12, so the Big Daddy. Let's see how big that is. Cool. So that was all the loose stuff. So let's grab our little snack pack here and see what else we have. So first up is a sticker. Oh, that's cool. And then we've got the little Dum Dum Pop. This one is cream soda. We have a Copic fine liner. These are really cool. I believe these are permanent as well. I don't think they're India ink. I don't know. It says will leak if shaken or dropped, so don't shake or drop it. This one's India ink, Higgins, so that's nice. We have a dip pen and a paintbrush, so if I had opened the package first, I would have had the paintbrush to try out for you guys. And we have Speedball pens. to go with the dip pen. And, oh, 31 days, 31 drawings. Your challenge, create a drawing for every 31 days using only the supplies in your collection. Use the daily prompts on the calendar for inspiration. Post a photo of your completed daily drawings on our social media challenge using the hashtag ARTSNACKS Ink. You need more art snacks, and it's got their store. And we've got a list, so we'll go over that list in a minute. I'm going to show you the rest of what's in here first. So the Speedball pens is, doesn't say how many, so we'll find out here in a minute. There you go. So there's 1, very nice, 2, 3, 4, these two might be the same, 5, 6 different pen tips. Let's see. So a set of 6, $13.77 retail. 6 different, so these are all 6 different compatible with your new pen. So to use this, you just put it in the holder. So you take the tip and you put it in the holder. Like that. And then you can not lose any of these, preferably. Dip it in your ink. And you can write or draw with it. Jen's Creatives. Oops. There we go. Anyways, you get the. And then of course you want to clean off the tip. I usually use a paper towel, a wet paper towel for that. Just like that. There is a paintbrush. I don't know that I need to show you this, but it's a Princeton Round Heritage 6. All of these little nibs going right back in here so I don't poke myself and or lose them. Okay. We've got a Higgins India ink chisel tip. So you shake it up and then you have to push it down to prime it, but I don't think you want to pump it. Too much. So I'm going to push it down, and now the ink's already coming out, so that didn't take much at all. And then once it's out, you can use it not much in there. I feel like the tip is very, like maybe I broke it, like the tip is very small compared to what I would want to use for a chisel tip, but maybe I just need to get used to it. So it's very nice. Again, India ink, so it's permanent when it's dry. Very cool. I like that. So we'll definitely be using that. And then the last thing is the Copic Fine Liner. Sorry about the packaging. Sometimes that just can't be avoided. So this is a Copic nylon brush. So not a fine liner, but a Copic brush, so that's cool. Not too wet, so it's good when you want some paintbrush marks. And then if you go slow, you can get a solid look. And I'm sure this is permanent. So let's try while it's still wet. Okay, and then this should be dry up here. Yep. So there you go. those are all of the supplies in the ink collection, as they call it now. Let's see, the paper retails for $27.17. That's some expensive paper. Produced at a historic paper mill in Holland for over 400 years. So there you go. The acrylic ink is $8.59. The pen holder is $4.52 without the nib. The nibs are $13.44. Tells you how to use it, and warning, the nibs are sharp. The Pitt Artist Soft Brush set of 6 shades of gray is $23. Princeton Heritage Sable Brush is $15.35. Indie Ink Pump Marker is a staff favorite, retails for $12. Speedball Calligraphy Ink White is $5.06. The brush pen, the Copic brush pen, which is really cool, is $7.49. It says it was created, it's a Gossan Fude, I guess. I probably mispronounced that, but it was created with Sumi East Asian brush painting artists in mind, so that explains the brush marks. That's pretty cool. Its long, flexible brush tip creates expressive line variations. Filled with water-based, so this one is water-based, pigment ink. This pen is water-resistant when dry. So it's water-based, which is why it works really well when wet, but it is permanent when dry, so that's cool. And of course the Micron pen set of 3 retails for $10.02 for those of us that can read that. So there you have it. Let me know in the comment box below, are you participating in Inktober? Or any of the variations. I'm not sure which one I'm going to be doing yet. Some of these look fun, but I do have some friends that also create their own, so I may do some of those, or I may just do my own thing and just make sure I do an ink drawing or a few ink drawings in October. So there you have it. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, just coming back to tell you that I did this wrong. I primed it wrong. So it tells you to shake it, just like I did, and then it actually tells you to take the lid, turn it upside down. I just missed that piece, and that's how you prime it. So you shake it up, you take this, and there's a hole on the lid, and you push it in like that, and that primes it. So that was my mistake, and I just wanted to come in and correct that for you. Thanks for watching.